I have a good or bad habit of like being obsessed with improving in those few areas which I'm truly passionate about. Now it can be, and this is more like, from the time I remember, I used to kind of count everything. When I say, like, though today an Apple Watch will count the number of steps, but as a young kid, I used to measure and calculate, and I'm obsessed with numbers and math, and that's obviously useful. That's helpful, and that's very, like, in business, it matters a lot, because I strongly believe that things which you can't measure, you can't improve. And I used to be an athlete. I like sports and math defines me. So I've just capitalized on two of these strengths. It's nothing special. I've just went deep, pursued my interest in math, and I'll say, for me, math is not a subject. Math is a way of thinking, and as well as, and now I was forced to become a self-learner, and that's why I have this conviction that what we are propagating is the right way to learn, and not just today, but even should define the future of learning. I've been fortunate enough that my passion of learning math and teaching math intersected with the real need, and there is this huge challenge around solving these challenges in education, whether it's access to good quality teachers or content. I only say that I'm active for, let's say, 18 hours. Now, whether I work, whether I play, there's not much, it's only a fine line. So, and in my first meeting itself, I've always told most of my investors that I do this for fun. And when you do things for fun, chances are that you'll do it well, and you'll think long term, and you'll do it long enough where you'll be able to stay in the game. There's nothing called winning, right? And that's what people, we, especially in India, we have this bad habit of looking at others and trying to do everything. Even in sports, when you push if you take a look at kids in the neighborhood, you will see that they are just trying to win the class race or the school race. Whereas it's easier if you are planning to become a 100-meter sprinter. The only thing which you should try running it under 10 seconds. If you can be obsessed with that competition of you versus you, that's when you will become the best in things which you like. Now, there's always a big overlap between what you like and what you are good at. If you're able to figure that out, and if you're able to build a business around it, nothing will worry you. Like, there will be challenges every day, but you will love those challenges, because that's what makes it exciting. Find that right balance between, not exactly like this, like speed, efficiency, and focus. Generally, it's not easy, because if you try going for speed, your quality will suffer. Now, but it's finding the right balance between these three is what matters. And I'm also focused on what you are trying to do, and rather than trying to do everything. And it's never about winning the game. There's no game here. It's all about how long you can play the game, and that's what differentiates great companies from good companies.